In this video, we're going to create the walls and doors for the Paris Ballroom and Foyer. First, we need to create a new class for our walls. Go to Tools, then Organization. Switch to the Classes tab. Click New to create a new class. In the New Class dialog, name the class Walls and click OK. Click once in the Active Class column to the left of the New Walls class to make it the active class. Click OK to save the changes and exit the Organization dialog. Next, we are going to draw the walls for these two rooms. We will use the Wall tool from the Building Shell toolset. Switch to the Building Shell toolset in the Toolsets palette. Activate the Wall tool. In the toolbar, make sure the left control line, wall control line, and rectangle modes are active. Also make sure that Unstyled is selected in the Wall Style pop-up menu. Snap your cursor to the top left corner of the ballroom rectangle and click once to start drawing the walls. Move your cursor down, snap to the bottom right corner of the rectangle, and click once more to draw the walls. Repeat this action for the foyer rectangle. In the Basic palette, activate the Select Similar tool. Now click once on one of the walls. This will select all of the walls. Now in the Object Info palette, set the height to 20 feet. Now press the X key on your keyboard to activate the selection tool in the Basic palette, and select and delete both of the rectangles. Now let's place some doors for these rooms. We will use the imported image as a reference, so we'll need to make the scan design layer visible. In the Navigation palette, make sure the Design Layers tab is active, and click once in the left visibility column for the Scan Design layer to make it visible. In the Building Shell toolset, activate the Door tool. Move your cursor over to the top right corner of the Paris Ballroom and center it over the first door location. When the cursor is over top of the wall, you will see the wall highlight in red. This indicates that you can insert a door into this wall. Click once to set the insertion point for this door. As you move your cursor, you will see the position of the door swing change. Move your cursor up and to the left and click once to set the position of the swing. Place another door using the same procedure on the other end of this wall. The opposite wall of the ballroom needs 4 swing bipart doors. There are 3 doors on the left and 1 on the right. We will need to adjust the door tool settings before placing these doors. With the door tool still active, click on the Door Tool Preferences button in the toolbar. Under General, set the width to 6 feet. Click on the Configuration pop-up menu and choose Swing Bipart. Click OK to save the changes. Using the same techniques described previously, place the single bipart door on the right with the doors swinging out. Now place the far left bipart door. The last 2 doors are evenly spaced along the wall. We can use the Move by Points tool from the Basic palette to quickly place both of these doors. Activate the Move by Points tool in the Basic palette. In the toolbar, make sure the Move mode and Object Retention mode are active. Set the number of duplicates to 2. Move your cursor over the center of the left bipart door we just placed. When the Insertion Point Smart Cursor cue appears, click once. Move your cursor to the right horizontally until you are in the middle of the next door. You can hold the Shift key to constrain the cursor horizontally. Click once more. This will place 2 more doors evenly spaced in the wall. Place 2 more swing bipart doors in the bottom wall of the Paris Foyer. The doors we just placed are in the same class as our walls. Next, we will place all of the doors in a new class. Activate the Select Similar tool again. Click once on one of the doors. Confirm in the Object Info palette that it indicates 8 door objects in walls are selected. Then in the Object Info palette, click on the Classes pop-up menu and choose New Class. In the New Class dialog, name the class Doors and click OK. Now let's take a look at the doors in 3D. In the View bar, click on the Current View pop-up menu and choose Right Isometric. Dismiss the Did You Know message dialog by clicking OK. You can also click the Don't Show This Dialog Again option to prevent this message from appearing. Also in the View bar, click on the Render Mode pop-up menu and choose OpenGL. You may have noticed it's hard to see the doors in these walls. This is because they're closed by default in 3D. Let's set a 3D open angle for these doors. Activate the Select Similar tool again. Click on one of the doors to select all of the doors. In the Object Info palette, scroll down to the Visualization section and check the Show 3D Open option. Now all of the doors will show open at a 90-degree angle. So let's go ahead and switch back to a top plan view by clicking on Top Plan in the Current View pop-up in the View bar.